future millionaires. I'm your friendly neighborhood insurance agent. And today we're gonna talk about what is insurance and why do I need it? Now, this is a question that I get asked all the time, especially from young people who feel like they're invincible, which I totally understand. When you're young and healthy, it can be really tempting to think that you don't need insurance. But trust me, it's a lot like wearing a seatbelt. You might not think you need it until you get into an accident. So let's start by talking about what insurance actually is. Insurance is basically a way to protect yourself against financial loss. Think of it as a safety net. You pay a small amount of money every month, which is called a premium. And in exchange, the insurance company promises to pay for any covered damages that you might incur. For example, if you get into a car accident, your car insurance will pay for the damages to your car and potentially cover the cost of any medical treatment you might need. Now let's talk about why you need insurance. The first reason is to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial ruin. Life can be unpredictable and sometimes unexpected things happen. If you were to get into a serious car accident and end up in the hospital, you want to be able to focus on recovering without worrying about how you're going to pay for it. Insurance can help you and your family avoid taking out loans or selling your home to pay for medical expenses. It can also help you pay for things like lost wages if you're unable to work while you're recovering. The second reason you need insurance is to protect your assets. Most people think that insurance is only necessary if you have a lot of money, but that's not true. In fact, insurance is even more important if you have very little money because you have less to fall back on if something goes wrong. For example, if you have an accident and don't have insurance, you could end up losing everything: your house, your car, your savings. But if you have insurance, the insurance company would pay for the damages and your assets would be protected. And finally, 3, insurance is required by law. In most states, you're required to have at least liability insurance on your car. And if you're a business owner, you're required to have workers' compensation insurance. There are other types of insurance that are not required by law, but I highly recommend getting them because they can protect you and your loved ones in so many ways. So remember, insurance is not just for the rich, it's for everyone. And even though it may seem like an unnecessary expense when you're young and healthy, it can save you a lot of money and heartache down the road. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.